Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn a super important math skill which is subtracting numbers with regrouping. So let's start with a quick question. Have you ever tried to subtract two numbers but the top number is smaller than the bottom number? Okay, so that's when we need to regroup, sometimes called borrowing. So regrouping means we take 1 from the next column on the left and add 10 to the column we're working on. Okay, so let's have an example. How to subtract 52 minus 38. So let's write it vertically. So we write 52 minus 38. And then we subtract each digit starting from the right. So let's start with the ones column, which is 2 and 8. So we subtract 2 minus 8. We can't do that. We cannot subtract because the subtrahend is greater than the minuend. So we regroup. So we're going to take 1 from the 5 tenths. Then 5, make it 4. The next one is to add 10 to the two ones. Now we have 10 plus 2 equals 12. So now 2 it becomes 12. Okay, now let's subtract. We subtract 12 minus 8. So we have 4. Again, 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Next, we subtract 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. So 52 minus 38 equals 14. Okay, next, we're going to check our answer 14 if it is correct. Again, 52 minus 38 equals 14. So check your answer by adding the difference to the subtrahend. It should match the minuend. Okay, so we're going to add 38 and 14. Okay, again, we have 14 plus 38. Okay, 4 plus 8 equals 12. Okay, we write 2 and then carry over 1. Next is, we're going to add 1 plus 1 plus 3. The answer is 5. Okay, the answer matches the minuend, which means it is correct. Okay, let's try a bigger one. 401 minus 265. Again, same step. Let's write it vertically. So we have 401 minus 265. Okay, we start with the ones column, which is 1 and 5. So we subtract 1 minus 5. So we cannot subtract because the subtrahend is greater than the minuend. So we need to regroup. Okay? So there's 0 in the tens place. So we need to regroup from the hundreds place. So we take 1 from the 400s and then it becomes 3. Then the tens place becomes 10. Now regroup 1 from 10. So tens becomes 9. And ones becomes 11. Okay, after regrouping, now we subtract from right to left. Okay, we start with ones. 11 minus 5 equals 6. Next, 9 minus 6 equals 3. The next 3 minus 2 equals 1. So the final answer is 136. Again, 401 minus 265 equals 136. Okay, now it's time to check our answer if 136 is correct. Again, the solution is 401 minus 265 is 136. So again, check your answer by adding the difference to the subtrahend. It should match the minuend. Okay, so we add 265 and 136. So 136, which is the difference, plus the subtrahend 265. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Then we write 1 and carry over 1. Next, we add 1 plus 3 plus 6 equals 10. So we write 0 and then carry over 1. Then 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 4. The answer is 401. The answer matches the minuend, which means it is correct. Therefore, our answer is correct. Okay, now it's practice time. Now it's your turn and try this. 63 minus 29, 504 minus 278. And that's how you subtract with regrouping. It just takes a little practice and soon you'll be a regrouping master. If this video helped you, give it a big like, share it with your classmates, and subscribe to Math Teacher for more fun math lessons every week. Don't forget to click the bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep learning, keep growing, and bye!